Bonjour à tous, this is Anushka Man and I welcome you all to French One Stop. So today we are going to learn about one more very important irregular verb, which is the aller verb, which means to go. If you want to say she goes, I go, she went, we went, he goes, etc., we use the aller verb, which means to go. So aller, since it is an irregular verb, so the conjugation does not follow any rules. So you just have to mug up the conjugation of this verb, and it's a very important verb, just like être and avoir, which we have discussed in the previous videos. So it's important that you learn the conjugation of aller by heart. So let's start with the conjugation of aller. So on the screen you will be able to see the conjugation. So let's see. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Répétez après moi, repeat after me. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Let us see the meanings of these phrases. Je vais, I go. Tu vas, you go. Il va, he goes. Elle va, she goes. Nous allons, we go. Vous allez, you go. So this is used when there is a plural group of people that you are referring to, or when you are talking out of respect to someone who's elder than you, someone who's at a higher position than you, then you use vous. And also, even if that person is a singular person. Ils vont, they go. This is masculine, plural. Elles vont, they go, feminine plural. Let us take some examples. Aujourd'hui, nous allons au cinéma. Aujourd'hui, nous allons au cinéma. Today, aujourd'hui is today, we go to the cinema, to the movies. Let us take one more example. Chaque jour, elle va à l'école. Chaque jour, elle va à l'école. Every day, chaque is every or each. Each day, she goes to the school. École is school. Chaque jour, elle va à l'école. So that's it for today, guys. I hope now you have a basic idea of how to use aller verb in French language. So your assignment for today is that you're going to learn the conjugation of aller by heart, because it is going to be very important and useful in the subsequent levels of French that you'll be using. So see you in the next video. Au revoir.